Lesson 1. Distinguishing a discrete and a continuous random variable. A random variable is a function that associates a real number with each element in the sample space. It is a variable whose values are determined by chance. In other words, a random variable is a numerical quantity that is derived from the outcomes of a random experiment. For example, two dice are rolled. The sum of two numbers that face up is an example of a random variable. Another example, suppose we flip a coin 10 times. An example of a random variable for this experiment is the number of times the head will show up. There are two types of random variables, the discrete random variable and the continuous random variable. A discrete random variable is a random variable whose values are represented by count data. This happens when the set of possible outcomes from an experiment can be counted. Examples: the number of households in Katarman Northern Samar. Another example, the number of students in Katarman National High School. Usually, examples of discrete random variables start with the word the number. Can you give other examples? Write your answer in the comment section. The second type of random variables is a continuous random variable. It is a random variable that takes values on a continuous scale. This happens when the set of possible outcomes from an experiment cannot be counted, but can be measured. Continuous random variables represent data like height, weight, and temperature. Any questions? Let's try this. Comment down your answers. Classify the following random variables as discrete or continuous. Number 1. The speed of a tricycle. Number 2. The number of female students. Number 3. The time needed to finish the module. Number 4. The amount of sugar in a cup of coffee. Number 5. The number of defective mobile phones produced by a manufacturer. Did you know the answer?